ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं ऐं क्लीं सौः हंसशिवसोऽहं मत्प्रें मदक्षमर्यो मदं सक्षमर्वीं सहौ स्वरूपनिरूपणे तवेतु गुरुवे त्र्यन्नपूर्णाम्बादयितं श्री अमृतानन्दनाथ सरस्वती श्रीगुरुश्रीपादुकां पूजयामि तर्पयामि नमः। ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं ऐं क्लीं सौः हंसशिवसोऽहं मत्प्रें मदक्षमर्वयो मसों सक्षमर्वीं सहो स्वरूपनिरूपण हेतवे गुरुवे त्र्यन्नपूर्णाम्बादयितं श्री अमृतानन्दनाथ सरस्वती श्रीगुरुने पादुकां पूजयामि तर्पयामि नमः। शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं दजिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये अगजाननपद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानां एकदन्तमुपास्महे गणानां त्वा गणपतिं गवामहे कविं कवीनाम् उपवस्त्रवत्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणस्पद आणशृण्वन्नोदिभिस्सेदसादनम् ॐ श्रीमन्महागणाधिपतये नमध्यायामि। ॐ क्लीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतिये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वदमानय स्वाहा। ॐ क्लीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतिये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वदमानय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतिये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वदमानय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतिये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वदमानय स्वाहा। ह्रीङ्कारादनगर्भितानलतिकां सौः क्लीं कलां बिभ्रतीं सौवर्णाम्बरधारिणीं वरदधादौ त्रिनेत्रोज्ज्वलां वन्दे पुस्तकपासमङ्कुशधरां त्रग्भूषितामुज्ज्वलां त्वां गौरीं त्रिपुरां परात्परकलां श्रीचक्रसञ्चारिणीम् ॐ अस्य श्रीशुद्धशक्तिमालामहामन्त्रस्य उपस्थेन्द्रियादिष्टाये वर्णादित्यर्षि दैवी गायत्री छन्दसात्विककारभट्टारक पीठस्थितकामीश्वराङ्कनिलया महाकामी स्त्रीदेवता ऐं बीजं क्लीं शक्तिः सौ कीलकं मम खड्गसिद्ध्यर्थे तदभीष्टसिद्ध्ये जपे विनियोगः। ऐं अङ्गुष्ठाभ्यां नमः क्लीं तर्जनीभ्यां नमः तौः मध्यमाभ्यां नमः तौः अनामिकाभ्यां नमः क्लीं कनिटिकाभ्यां नमः ऐं करतलकरपृष्ठाभ्यां नमः ऐं हृदया नमः क्लीं शिरसे स्वाहा सौः सिकायुषं सौः कवचायुः क्लीं नेत्रत्रयाय वौ षट् ऐं अस्त्राय फट् भूवं इति दिग्बन्धध्यानम् तादृशङ्गड्गमाप्नोति येन हस्तस्थितेन वै अष्टादशमादिपातं प्राड्भोक्ता भविष्यति आरक्ताभां त्रिनेत्रां मरणवसनां रत्नदाटङ्क्रम्यां हस्ताम्बोजे च पाताङ्कुत मदनदनसायिकैर्विस्फुरन्तीं मापीनोत्तुङ्गवक्षोरः कलसुलटत्तारहारोज्ज्वलाङ्गीं ध्यायेदम्भोरस्तां मरणवसनाम् ईश्वरीम् ईश्वराणां लमिद्यां जपञ्चपूजां कुर्यादधा दग्धिमूलमन्त्रं जपेत्। ऐं ह्रीं ह्रीं ऐं क्लीं सौः कैलहरीं मदकैलह्रीं ह्रीं लं पृथिव्यात्मने सत्सङ्गं गन्धं कल्पया नमः। ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं कैलहरीं मदकैलहरीं ह्रीं हम् आकाशात्मने इन्द्रियनिग्रहं पुष्पं कल्पयामि नमः। ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं कैलहरीं मदकैलहरीं ह्रीं रं तेजात्मने चित्कलादीपं कल्पयामि ह्रीं ह्रीं कैलहरीं यं वायुव्यात्मने हरिषर्वज्ञविचित्रं धूपं कल्पयामि ह्रीं श्रीं क एलह्रीं मदकैलह्रीं ह्रीं वम् अमृतत्वात्मने शिवशक्तिसामरस्यं नैवेद्यं कल्पयामि ह्रीं श्रीं कैलह्रीं मदकैलह्रीं सकलह्रीं सं कालात्मने मनोलयम् आनन्दकर्पूरनीराजनं कल्पयामि नमः। ऐं क्लीं सौः क्लीं ऐं 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 Ein Gleam Thou Thou Gleam Mein 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 Ein Gleam Thou Thou Gleam Mein Gleam Thou Thou Gleam Mein Gleam Thou Thou Gleam Ein Gleam Thou Thou Gleam Mein Gleam Thou Thou Gleam Mein Gleam Thou Thou Gleam Ein Gleam Thou Thou Gleam Mein Gleam Thou Thou Gleam Mein Gleam Thou Thou Gleam Ein Gleam Thou Thou Gleam Mein. Om Aim Dream Dream Aim Dream Thou. Om Namah Tripura Sundari Hrudaya Devi Chiro Devi Shikha Devi Kavach Devi Netra Devi Astra Devi Kamikshvari Bhagamani Nityaklinne Bherunde Vaknivatane Mahavajre Shri Shivadute Turite Guru Sundari Nitye Nilapatake विजये सर्वमङ्गले ज्वालामाल्ये चित्रे वहानित्ये परमेश्वर परमेश्वरि पित्रेशमयि षष्ठीशमयि उड्डीशमयि जन्यानाथमयि लोभामुद्रामयि अगस्त्यमयि कालतापरमयि धर्माचार्यमयि मुक्तकीर्तीश्वरमयि दीपकलानाथमयि विष्णुदेवमयि प्रभाकरदेवमयि तेजोदेवमयि मनोदेवमयि कल्याणदेवमयि वासुदेवमयि रत्नदेवमयि श्रीरामानन्दमयि अणिमा सिद्धे लगिमा सिद्धे गरिमा सिद्धे महिमा सिद्धे सिद्धे वसिद्धे प्राकाम सिद्धे मुक्ति सिद्धे इच्छा सिद्धे प्राप्ति सिद्धे सर्वकाम सिद्धे ब्राह्मी माहेश्वरी कौमारी वैष्णवी वाराही माहेन्द्री चामुण्डे महालक्ष्मी सर्वसंक्षोभणी द्रविद्रावणी सर्वाकर्णी सर्वशङ्करी सर्वोन्मादिनी सर्वाङ्गते सर्वगेत्री सर्वबीजे सर्वयोनि सर्वत्रिगण्डे त्रैलोक्यमोहनचक्रस्वामिनी प्रकटयोगिनी कामाकर्षणी बुद्ध्याकर्षणी अहङ्काराकर्षणी शब्दाकर्षणी स्पर्धाकर्षणी रूपाकर्षणी रथाकर्षणी गन्धाकर्षणी चित्ताकर्षणी धैर्याकर्षणी स्मृत्याकर्षणी नामाकर्षणी बीजाकर्षणी आत्माकर्षणी अमृताकर्षणी शरीराकर्षणी सर्वाथा परिपूर्णचक्रस्वामिनी Gupta Yogini. Where are we now? The most difficult thing to get rid of Ahankara Kashni, ego. Ahankara Kashni, that happened because of the Buddhya Kashni. You need to learn, but not with the feeling that you are learning. You have learned. You should learn with the feeling that you are learning, but past tense should not be there. When the past tense is there, the present stops. I have learned. You cannot learn anymore. It's a continuous saga. So I cannot say, I learned it. When you say, I have learned Sri Suktam, you may not be able to learn the rest of the Suktam. So, the feeling, what is Ahankaram? The feeling, so first she creates a desire. Desire is necessary. You can ask a question, Ambal, mother, then why should she create a desire? Why should you create a Ichha for learning? And then the after effect is Ahankara, that you are responsible. As he says, my child, listen to me. This desire is necessary for you. Even if the medicine, if it is taken in overdose, it will kill you. The desire, if it is in overdose, it will kill you in the form of Ahankara. When the person gets Ahankara, the physical body will remain. The Atman, the awareness, the actual human being is dead. So there is no openness, there is no giving. So what is the reason for Ahankara? Number one, I am something. And this comes because of a gender or a race or a race, and in Indian context, or a varna, which is of course caste, and a religion, and the position, adhikaratah. So all these, if you have some identity, the ultimate effect is ahankara. And she creates that. If you don't surrender to her, if you don't hold her hand, the next step is ahankara akashani. When the person is subjected to, it's a chain link. When the person is subjected to ahankara akashani, then shabdagashni, spatagashni, rupagashni, rasagashni, gandhagashni, up to that 5, it's just leaving the track. So you think, I know Mahashwarati, so this is the ultimate. I know Durga Saptasati, this is ultimate. I know you are attracted by the Shabdam you listen, not the Shabdam coming from inside. Shabdakarshani. So this is the truth. She has the bow in her left hand, the arrows in the right hand, 5 arrows, Manmada, Shabdas Parsarupa Rasagandha, Pasha, Ankusha. Okay? So, Pasha, desire comes. Then, with the target, aiming at the target, this helps you. This Danu, Manuru Beshuko Danda Panchatarma Trasayaga, is compared to the spine, the willpower. So, like a Rama, Kodanda Rama, you have the willpower to learn, that's fine up to that. But once you realize that I know something, then she starts to put the one after another, the banas in you. These are called Manmada banas. Shabdagashni, Spardagashni, Rupagashni, Rasagashni, Thudipan, Thudittuduvan, Patade Porvunvan. You cannot tolerate. One after another she'll be putting. Oh my God, enough. The 5 tanmatras which are intended for your upliftment will be the reason for your stagnation or sometimes downfall also. In the beginning, Shabda Gashni, Spadda Gashni, Rupa Gashni, Rasa Gashni, Gandha Gashni. The same devatas. You prayed and you surrender. There is no ahankara. Then that's why you are also acceptance of the punishment, then flying in the air, the ultimate realization, and control of past, present, and future. This is first step. Prakata Yogini she is. Now she is Gupta Yogini. Okay, come inside. Now I'll show what I am. Next step. So, Shabda, did I tell you? Kuranga, Turanga, Matanga. See, I think I told you. Like, well, I told you. Shabdas Patsaruparata Gandhas. The honey bee is captivated by the sweetness of the honey and get trapped in the flower, forgetting that it has to fly. Rasakarshani. The female elephant, the smell of the touch of the female elephant makes the male elephant get trapped in the pit. I told you. Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, the fire insects. They think that fire is something to swallow. And then they come and then they get trapped. Like this, the jiva and then the deer by the Shabda. The hunter, out of its own horns, he makes a musical instrument and blows that horn. And the deer is mesmerized by that sound. And this fellow hunts that animal. Same thing with our own assets. She sets a trap. Who will not walk into this trap? That's the main thing. Kameshwara Kameshwari. The one whose focus is not shifted from the mother, it just passes through. Like walking on the fire. Some people walk on the fire. If they focus on the fire, they'll be burnt. Arogara, 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 Veranaka, Arogara, Kandanaka, Arogara. You'll be in a trance like thing and then you just walk. You're out. You are out of the fire. So in the same way, Sabda Akarshani, Saksha Akarshani, Rupa Akarshani, you are captivated by the form. You think this is a male god, this is a female god, this is Lakshmi. You identify them. There's one test which we need to pass with her grace. You learned in the first avarana, examination in the second avarana. What will you get when you pass this examination? Chitta Karshini. You get connected to the Chitta. Chitta Sodhanam, Mukti Sadhanam. Instead of verifying the world, analyzing the world, you analyze yourself. You get lost in yourself. You'll be there, but you'll be more intended to be silent. Silent mentally, not, I'm not speaking that kind of silence. No, silence mentally. You'll be doing action. The ownership is silent. You'll be speaking. The meaning, the purpose is silent. It just flows, natural flow, natural action, like we are doing in the sleep. And that is Chitta Karshini. At that time, you'll start thinking, who am I? This is actually a scene in Ramayana. Rama, being a Vishnu Avtara, it's a drama, of course. After Sita was abducted by Ravana, he sheds tears. And immediately Lakshmana says, Rama, you're a Vishnu, you're an emperor. Crying like this will not be good for you. Shobha nahi deti. Then, of course, he comes back. That's a small thing. In the same way, when all the jivas are struggling in the after effects of their own action, their own thoughts, their own words, their own karmas, nobody is responsible for your pain. No. Or pleasure also. No. You are. When all these people are in this darkness, pitch darkness, they are in a kupastha mandukas. They dig their own big ditch, fall in that, and enjoy. When most of the jivas are like that, this fellow who passed this Shabdasparsa Rupa Rasa Gandhas, when it comes to Chitta Akarshani level, he starts thinking. Before he sanctions the desire, he is the one who sanctions the desire, not one. You are the one who sanctions your own desire, making it convert into action. Is it necessary for me now? How much time I need to spend on fulfilling this desire? This is the most important thing we people have to understand. You cannot say, I spent the whole life in bringing my child to make him a collector or a revenue official. Who asked you to do that? Nobody. So how much time I need to spend? Is it necessary for me now, at 60 years of age? Is it necessary for you to go behind real estate and stock market? You should think. This is awareness. The awareness comes up. And what is the next effect? Beautiful Kadgamala. Dhairya Kashini. Before that, he's afraid. He is afraid of Rahu. He's afraid of Ketu. He's afraid of lemon. He's afraid of chili, red chili on the street, or a cockroach in a sink, or a lizard on the wall. Everything scares him. Suppose he goes to an astrologer, he looks, this fellow's heart will stop. What? He may be chewing some nut powder like I was chewing before, like that. Oh my God, is it very dangerous? So that much scary his life will be. Whatever happens, happens. Dhairya Gashini. When you are connected to Chitta, this is the most important thing. When you are connected to Chitta, चिंता दूर हो जाती है. चित्ता से कनेक्ट होने के बाद चिंता दूर अपने आप दूर हो जाएगी. When you are connected to Chitta, there is no pain. Dhairya Kashni. When you are connected to the world, be prepared for everything. I'm not saying you will get pain, but be prepared for everything because you are the one who get connected. So, Chitta Kashni, Dhairya Kashni. Then Smritya Karshini. Then he is now becoming an enlightened person. Sriti Smriti Ranuttama. That line is Smritya Karshini. Apaurusheya, the Brahma, the Mahapurush. About that Mahapurusha Tattvam, Brahma has realized, and then of course Vyasa, so many people wrote, they say, and all the Vedas are there which are beyond most of our reach. But we know the essence of that through Guru, through epics, through Upanishads. And Mananatrayati iti mantraha. Every time is not just enough if you do Sundarakanda for 7 days. No. Even if you recite for 1 day, you need to keep for 7 lives in your memory. What did Hanuman do? What did Sita say when Hanuman said, come on, I'll take you on my shoulders? How Sita replied to Ravana? How Hanuman replied to Rama? These are all in Sundarakanda. Life skills, communication skills. Instead of putting ourselves into that characters, we just recite 7 times, 20 times, 7 days. Why my miseries are not over? No, it won't be. So Smritya Karshini means I constantly Nanya Panda Ayanaya Vidyade Sahasra Purusha Sahasraksha Sahasrapad. All these figures are figures of God. All the paths, I cannot criticize any path. Any path is a path leading to God. Atyadishtata Shangulam Purushe Vedagam Sarvam. So many words are coming, like in the movie, Yadon Ki Bharat. So many words will be coming. You'll be remembering, digesting. That is Pratyakashni. And what is the purpose of this human life? How much rich is this human life? Only in this, there is a possibility of getting realization. That's what the Shastras say. Can I hate this life, which is given as a gift by God to me? Gift. Can I hang myself just because I have some problem? Just because somebody insulted? Just because I failed in exam? No way. Then you know what is the value of this. Smrutyakarshini, Namakarshini. Every word, it resonates back to you. This is the beautiful Namakarshini. Any Ashtotram, any Sahasranamam, up to this, I was thinking that I am talking to someone else about whom I know very little or I know nothing. But now, when I listen to all the addressings, all the stotras, I feel that somebody is calling me. It's addressed to me. Nama Kashini. My name is not just Guru Karanamaya or Venkata Surya Subbarao Kumpella. That was my previous name. But every name belongs to me. Everything is known to me. I know I'm not new to this anymore. The person is not new. The subject is not new. The place is not new. I belong to this. That belongingness to the mother comes that. Srutyakashni, Namakashni, Bijakarshini. Creativity comes automatically. I know that the thoughts are being created by me. I'm behind the thought because I'm connected to mother. When I'm behind the thought, I'll be having the ability to channelize the thoughts to my best of my ability to my spiritual benefit. When I'm behind my thought, I have the ability to channelize my thought to the best of my ability to my spiritual path. So, Smrutyagashni, Namakashni, Bijagashni, all the creativeness. I don't expect for any more miracles. So many miracles are happening in our life. If the chemical is not received, I don't know how many doctors are there. Any doctors? Raise your hand. I know Shimoga. Some chemical or enzyme, I don't know what they call, is not released in proper quantity at the proper time. You want to raise your right hand, but you'll be raising your left hand. Is it right? Vinayak? The balancing. Is it not a miracle? So, I will be appreciating what, like Alice Wonderland, you know that small thing, the small child, like that everything is, wow, awestruck. That stage is there in the Bijakarshini. And then Atma Karshini, you'll be connected to the Atman. You'll not judge the book by the cover of it. You'll be connected to the content of the book. You'll no longer run behind the colors, but you'll run behind the tattva, which brings colors in your life. Atma Karshini. And also, every action you do, but then you don't do it willfully. You just do. When you are connected to Atma, all the actions cease to exist, even though they are there. Everything will be rolling automatic. Like in the flight, the pilot books in the auto mode, and he can come out and relax, right? Put it in auto mode. Atma Karshini, auto mode. Why do you struggle trying to control this flight? Auto mode is there. enjoy with the air hostess, talking to her, having a cup of coffee, right? Atma Akarshani. Then comes Amrita Akarshani. The immortal bliss will come when you're connected to the Atman. Because I'm connected to body, I'm then seeing our body is perishing. Rishi Kapoor passed away. So many people are passing away from before in front of my eyes. What a great life. What richness he was having. And how he's lying on the floor. Because I'm connected to the body. But when I'm connected to the Atman, Amrita Akarshani, my guru's name is also Amrita Anandamaya. In that sense, I'm attracted to my guru, Amrita Akarshani. Immortality. Up to that, see, Shabdasparsa Ruparada, this is a test. You pass the test, Dhairya Akarshani, Smrti Akarshani, Nama Akarshani, Bija Akarshani, Amrita Akarshani. Then come Sarira Akarshani, Dhum. There's a big test. You fail in that. Again, Kama Akarshani, Buddha Akarshani. It's a loop. Sarira Akarshani, somewhere. Again, the feeling of I belong to this body come. This will not go. Even until you breathe your last, this fight between Kauravas and Pandavas in this Kurukshetra will happen. Only the Parthasarathi Krishna can lead you to the right place. This Kurukshetra is never-ending Kurukshetra. One time, round 1, they will win. Round 2, you will win. Round 3. And finally, who will win? Who surrenders to this Parthasarathi? Equal. They are because why? Why? Because Kauravas and Pandavas are also created by her only. It's not just a clean sweep. It will not have clean sweep. No way. That's why every epic has got lots of ups and downs. Bhagavata, ups and downs. Ramayana, ups and downs. Mahabharata is full of bumpy road. Which is clean sweep? No. There is no maja in the clean sweep. So, Sarira Karshani up to when they come to that point, again, they are connected. When you are connected to the body, somewhere, maybe my close relative, all the while I can teach Vedanta. Manava emunadi deham idi raktamam samula asti panjaram dinikai yelara ivyamoham. Perfect. Wow. What a Vedanta. What is there in the body is full of bone, flesh. Why do you cry for this? But can I control when my own close family member passes away? Can I sing the same song? That is where this Sarira Karshani is coming. Very tough. That's why my guru used to say, it's Vedantam, fine. Danta Vedantam, nay. When it comes between the teeth, everything is made by God. Why you worry? That's only Editi Manchiki Chippedanduga Neetulu Unnai. These are all designed for other people. All the Vedas. For me, it won't apply. Very difficult. So, I'm stuck. Sarira Karshani. Then I'm stuck in Ashtapashas. And they come to me. It's very difficult to attack them because they're Ananga Devatas. They don't have bodies. It's energy. Ananga Kusuma. They are going to come. So let us finish off this Avarana. कामाकृष्णी बुद्ध्याकृष्णी अहंकाराकृष्णी शब्दाकृष्णी स्पर्शाकृष्णी रूपाकृष्णी रसाकृष्णी गंधाकृष्णी चित्ताकृष्णी. You need to know when you recite this Khatgamala, and then when you understand, when you got it by heart, you can enjoy. When you are reciting, you're just calling Shabdakrishni, Spaddakrishni, Rupakrishni, Rasa. All the mommies will come before you. These mothers are coming before you. A form of the formless entity, energies, you can play around. Chitta-Krishni, Dhairya-Krishni, Smritya-Krishni, Nama-Krishni, Bija-Krishni, Atma-Krishni. When I recite the word, it's not the word that matters. Of course, the sound of the syllables matter. Okay? That's for the first level. The next level, what happens is, as I am reciting the word, listen to me very carefully. If I'm talking to Aravind on a mundane basis, my meaning of the word is intended for Aravind, not for me. Agreed or not? If I'm talking to Amanda, my purpose is to make me understandable to her, not to me. Whereas here, when I'm reciting, my purpose is make myself understand her by reciting her name. This is where the switch has to be reversed. Do you understand that? You want me to repeat? No, right? So, how can I understand? She's Gunatita, Rupatita, Atita, beyond everything. Then come Bijakashni, creativity. Atmakashni, connect to your soul. Shariragashni, don't connect to your body. It's mortal. All these messages should be flashed to you the nanosecond. So you're not praying to Lalita Parameshri, Swatma Anandalavi Bhuta Brahma. You're talking to yourself. This is Stotram. You're talking to yourself. That's why you have to tell daily, because I need to control and discipline myself, my life. Right? Rupakashni. At that time, if I don't close my eyes, which is better, always have a habit of not closing your eyes when you pray. Are you following that? Don't close your eyes. Open eyes. Pray. You're not following Arati? Then Mother will come to you. This is the best experience you can ever have. To make you understand the essence of the mantra you're reciting. Trust me, it is going to happen. It happened to me many number of times. If it happens to me, you're all youngsters. Definitely it can happen to you at one point in your life. If not today, maybe tomorrow. Rupakashni. Immediately you see something on the floor, on the wall, on the road. Immediately the first mind will say, this is that. A cow, a buffalo, a dog, a cat, a lizard, a cockroach, a mosquito, an ant, a scavenger. All this mind immediate. But then when you say Rupakashni, no, there's me in that form. This is going to happen. And that's the beauty of Stotram. When you're involved in that, everything seems like talking to you. When you're doing Stotram, you're talking to yourself. And then it goes further up. When somebody is doing Stotram, you feel that they are praying to you. But the essence of it, it won't raise your ego. It's quite natural. Why not they praise? Because I'm connected to Atman. They are praising not because I'm something. If you think like that, if I'm Guru Karunamaya, that's why they are all praising, I'm down, crashed. As long as I'm connected to the Paramatma, I'm only a mediator. Why not they praise? Because they are not coming to me. They're just going there. And when this is coming to me, I'm such a foolish fellow. I'm thinking, okay, welcome, welcome, welcome. They, later on, I see them going this way. Oh, I thought they are coming to me. They are going that way. So all these praisings are actually going to Bhagavan. So, शब्दागष्णी स्पद्दागष्णी रूपागष्णी रसागष्णी गंधागष्णी चित्तागष्णी धैर्यागष्णी स्मृत्यागष्णी नामागष्णी बीजागष्णी आत्मागष्णी अमृतागष्णी आत्मागष्णी pilot auto mode air hostess don't forget right immediately auto mode amrutagashni but sariragashni immediately be careful sariragashni no I do not because next one sarvasa paripuraka chakra swami gupta yogini if you are implementing the essence of this knowledge in your life whatever you desire sarvasha paripuraka chakra swami everything will be fulfilled. Is it a blessing or a test? That is dependent on the next avarna. Srimatra.